Hello everyone, it's me Lydia and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, as I previously stated, my name is Lydia and this is my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first official video, so I just kind of wanted to give a little rundown on what you could expect from my channel. My name is Lydia, as I've already said, and this channel is Looks Like Lyd. It will be all things me. That meaning fashion, DIY, humor, fun, all the things that embody this beautiful woman. Even though this is my introduction to you all, I feel like this is such an overdue task of mine. I have wanted to have my own YouTube channel since I was a freshman in high school watching Michelle Phan. Yes, I just told you all how old I am. Michelle Phan is like an OG of YouTube. So I have just always wanted to do this, and I am in a very weird place in my life. And so I don't want this to be like such a structured, this is typical introduction video. I just actually want to talk to you about my headspace so you can see where I'm at, and if you decide to come on this journey with me, I would love that. So I will say, over the last couple of years of my life, I feel like I've been turned each and every way. When you're younger, you think when you hit your 30s, you're gonna have it all together, and let me tell you what I do not have. I do not have it all together. I don't know if I even have any of it together, but I am a fighter. I am more than a conqueror. And when one door closes, I'm just gonna keep knocking and keep knocking and keep, one of the doors is gonna open up. But as I get older, I learn more and more about God's divine timing. And I feel like all the trials and tribulations that I have experienced over the last few years has brought me right where I said that I've always wanted to be. I just want to speak. I remember when I was in college. I can't even believe I'm about to say some of the things publicly that I'm about to say, but I remember being in college, and I remember just saying consistently, what is my purpose? What is my purpose? What is my purpose? And in college, not even fully understanding what that even means. What does your purpose really even mean? And as I have gotten older, I have come to find out that your purpose has very little to do with you. You are just a vessel to bless others. And so I have been selfish and not operated in my full purpose because I've hoarded all my gifts, all my talents for myself. And so if I do that, how can I be a blessing to other people? And I think that sometimes when you're a creative or a talented person, you don't actually deem the things you do as a talent or a gift because it's just who you are. You do it on a daily basis. It's not you going out of your way to be something. It's just naturally who you are. And so I think so much of my life, I have done myself a disservice by not tapping into all the things that God has blessed me to be. And so over these last 2 years, I have been blessed. I'm in good health. My family is taken care of. There's so much going on in the world. So the things that I have experienced, I'm not going to sit here and pretend like they are just earth shattering, but it has definitely been a trial for me personally. Anything that I was using as a crutch has been completely stripped away from me. I used to have all these ideas and I would never execute them. I would say, oh, I can't do this because this apartment is too small, or I can't do this because I don't have the money, or I can't do this because of this reason, or this isn't the right time for that. And those are just excuses because I got more money and I still didn't do it. I got a bigger apartment. I still didn't do it. And it wasn't until I moved. And when I moved to a different city and state, I just knew, like, oh, I'm in a new city, I'm in a new state. It was just my old surroundings as to why things weren't happening for me the way that I wanted them to. And when I moved, I got the shock of my life. And why did I get that shock, Lydia? I got that shock because I was having the same experiences. So a person with common sense can put two and two together and be like, okay, all you did was pick up your bags and go. You didn't do the work. And so I've done the work. Me being able to even share this story with, I'm not even sure who is ever going to see this. I don't know if 10 people is going to see this, 100 people is going to see this. I hope it could be a blessing to somebody. But I have done the work. I've done the work. I'm not all the way, I'm not perfect. I'm not this, all have it together person. But what I realize is if I really want to do something, then those excuses are just that, monuments of nothingness. They amount to nothing. And so I'm going to just use what I have. If y'all knew the phone that I was, when we make it over, I'm going to tell you, if y'all knew the phone that I'm using, if you knew the setup that I have, if you knew all the things, anyhow. So basically this page I want to use as just a journey. Come on me with this journey. Figuring life out. Figuring out how to fully, this page will be a testament, I guess, of me operating in my purpose. God has blessed me with so much, so many gifts and talents, and I do not believe that it's just supposed to be hoarded in my phone or a bunch of ideas hoarded in my brain that taunt me at night and I can't go to sleep. I just want to share what I have and give it all out to the world. And at the end of me, giving everything that I have unto others creatively, if the only thing that comes out of that is peace of mind, then I have still gained. So I'm just very excited. So currently, some fun facts about me and what you can expect for this channel. I'm loud, baby. I'm animated, and I be cussing. So if you don't like loud, if you don't like theatrics, and you don't like a little bit of profanity, might not be the place for you. Now, can you still get a little something, learn a little thing or two from the channel? Of course, but I feel like most of my life I have operated under a mask, being what I felt like I was supposed to be or what people expected me to be, or not just being fully unapologetically Lydia. And this channel is unapologetically me. So I understand that it may not be for everyone, but it is definitely for me. And it could be for you too. I am so excited. Currently, I plan to update all my videos. Currently, I plan to update videos on Mondays. So Mondays, you could check in for a new video. I will be uploading shorter form videos on YouTube Shorts throughout the week. And subscribe to my channel. Come on this journey with me. Thank you for listening to all of that I just said. I'm pretty sure I said a lot. And yeah, time to turn up on these hoes. Bye guys. See you next Monday.